Number 9. Negative 56x to the 5th plus 76x to the 4th plus 12x cubed. Since the leading coefficient is negative, your GCF is going to have to be negative. And 4 goes into all three of those numbers. So our GCF is going to be negative 4. And out of our x values, the smallest exponent is x to the 3rd. So our GCF is going to be negative 4x to the 3rd. So go through and divide each term by your GCF. Some of you do this in your head. Some of you need to write it out. It's up to you. Negative 4x to the 3rd. And then when you divide, that's going to go inside your parentheses. So in your calculator, you're going to have, you're going to do negative 56 divided by negative 4, which is 14. And then you subtract your exponents, or you can think of it as you're taking 3 x's away from that 5, so that leaves you with x squared. And then you've got 76 divided by negative 4, which is negative 19. And again, you've taken 3 x's away from the 4, leaving you with 1. And then 12 divided by negative 3, or negative 4, is negative 3. And your x's cancel out. So this is your trinomial that you have left that you need to factor. Since a is not 1, you're going to have to use the bottoms up method. So the first thing you're going to do is multiply 14 times negative 3. And that gives you negative 42. So then we're going to use our calculator, and you're going to type in negative 42 divided by x. And we can go through our table and find the pair of factors that gives us negative 19. So if you look right here, you've got 2 and 21, negative 21. 2 times negative 21 is negative 42. And when you add those two together, you get negative 19. So these are my two factors that I'm going to use, 2 and negative 21. So 2 times negative 21. I'm going to do my two sets of parentheses, and we're going to have x plus 2 and x minus 21. And since I multiplied by 14, you're going to have to divide by 14. Now make sure you always reduce your fractions. So in your calculator, to reduce your fractions, you can just do 2 divided by 14, math, enter. And so this fraction is now 1/7. And then we can do negative 21 divided by 14, math, enter. And we get negative 3 over 2. So x minus 3 over 2. And then the last step is bottoms up. Move the bottom number up in front of x. So this is 7x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. Do not forget your GCF needs to come down in front of your answer. And that's number 9.